Tired of clunky dishwashers and messy sinks? Meet the FOTILE SD2F-P3, your kitchen's ultimate savior. Do you dread the never-ending pile of dishes crowding your sink? Are you tired of bending over to load and unload a traditional dishwasher? If your kitchen feels more like a dishwashing dungeon than a culinary haven, it's time for a change. Enter the FOTILE SD2F-P3 in-sink dishwasher combination, a sleek, space-saving solution designed to tackle your dishwashing woes head-on. This two-in-one marvel combines a heavy-gauge sink with a powerful countertop dishwasher, offering a modern, efficient, and back-friendly way to keep your kitchen spotless. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. The FOTILE SD2F-P3 doesn't just clean dishes, it sanitizes them. With its advanced dish sanitizing system, it removes up to 99.99% of residues, ensuring your family's health and safety. The intelligent cleaning system uses rotary sprays and all-angle water jets to eliminate blind spots, leaving every dish sparkling clean. No more rewashing or scrubbing by hand. Plus, its high-temperature drying feature heats up to 148 degrees Fahrenheit, so your dishes are not just clean but also dry and ready to use. It's the ultimate solution for a hygienic, hassle-free kitchen. Worried about energy and water bills? The FOTILE SD2F-P3 is here to save the day. Its energy-saving design optimizes water and energy consumption, using just 3.17 gallons of water per cycle. This eco-friendly powerhouse reduces your utility costs without compromising on performance. And with its compact countertop size, it's perfect for kitchens where space is tight. No more sacrificing functionality for style, this dishwasher blends seamlessly into your decor while delivering top-notch efficiency. Durability and ease of use are at the core of the FOTILE SD2F-P3. Built with 304 food-grade stainless steel, it's not only easy to clean but also built to last. The touch-sensitive screen responds effortlessly to light pressures and wet fingers, while the memory function lets you repeat your last cycle with a single button push. The removable multi-purpose dish rack holds up to 24 plates plus silverware, making it versatile enough to handle larger dishes and pots. And with its intelligent security lock, you can operate it safely, even with kids around. So, is the FOTILE SD2F-P3 the solution you've been searching for? Absolutely. It's a tech-tested, affordable, and high-quality appliance that outperforms traditional dishwashers in every way. With over 3,000 patents and a reputation for innovation, FOTILE has crafted a product that's as durable as it is effective. Customers rave about its easy installation, compact size, and exceptional value for money. If you're ready to reclaim your kitchen and enjoy spotless dishes without the hassle, the FOTILE SD2F-P3 is your ultimate kitchen hero. Your quest for the perfect dishwasher ends here.